How to delete Google search history on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to myactivity.google.com. You will then be taken to the My Google Activity page in your account. You can see and delete your activity using the controls on this page. Scroll down and go to Filter by Date and Product. Tap on the Delete button beside it. Here, select the time range. For example, all time. Now, you can choose activity to delete from here. After choosing, tap on Next at the bottom. Tap on Delete again to confirm. The activity you selected is being permanently deleted from your account and no longer tied to you. Tap on Got it below. Following these steps, you can easily delete Google search history on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.